Hi, so in this video I want to show you how to make your picture look new. Okay, you have a picture and you want it to come out well, so this is what you do. So this is the app. So you see this app here called Photolab. Yes, this is the app. You see this app here, this app Photolab. Now that is it. You click on it so you can download it and see what will happen now. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I want to be posting at least every week one video or two, so very informational video that can help you. In fact, there's another site I will show you. That one is not, it's not an app. You will just go there. Oh my god, that site is oh, see, in fact, I will do that video. Let me not make a promise now, but hopefully before next week runs out, that video will drop. In fact, it will blow your mind. So don't forget to hit this subscribe button so that when I drop such a video, you will see it. Okay, so now we are in this app Photolab. You see here this place that says photography. You see here, click there. Okay, click there, photography, click there. Now you wait. If you are a female or a woman, let me tell you the secret here. If you are dark, if you are a chocolate girl or boy or man or woman, anyone that pleases you, let's take for example, if you are chocolate like this person here now, this person is a chocolate, right? So this person is chocolate because it's not dark. You as a woman look for that is chocolate, you can use this person. If you are fair like this person, don't use this. Okay, well, you can try it. If it works for you, fine. Because if you are fair and you use a fair person as a woman, it will bring out your face well. People will see it and believe that it is you. Of course, it's a picture that is in that, but they will feel that the one that is dressed like this, that made this hair. Let me show you. And if you're a man, you want your face to come out in a woman, you can try it. Okay, but this is good. So now let me try. Which one will I try now? Let me use this. Do I have any fair picture in this phone? Let me just try. Let me try which one now. Let's try this one. This I love decency so much. So let's just try this. Let's use this. So now you click on it. Click on the picture you want to use. You click on it. Now you see it has opened your this thing for you, as in your own phone's media. So you click on your click here because you don't want to snap. Click here to get your picture. So click here. So I click there to choose the picture. Let me use a woman. Let me take a female's picture. So let me go to my gallery. So which female picture can I use now? Which female picture do I have? Okay, that picture is not even a fair picture like that. It's dark. Okay, let me use. Okay, let me use this. Let's use this. Okay, let's use this picture here. Let's use this. Okay, so so we click this. So just watch. So then you click here, that arrow, then watch. You see it's getting ready now. It's saying processing. So just watch what will happen. Don't forget to hope you watch the way that person's face is and the picture we just brought in. Sorry, let the advert finish. Advert finished now. We don't want this. So sorry. So you see the difference now. You see the difference? You see, this is the picture of the person we just used or we selected. You can see the person's face. Let's go. Let me show you what happened. So if you don't understand it, just watch it again. And so this is how you bring out your face. So when you want to download it, you come here. You see here, you say save to the, you see it, save to device. You see here, download, image saved. You see it here, image saved. So you can now go to your gallery. However, let me show you something. The watermark is still here. You see the watermark is here. So if you want to take this watermark out, you have to pay. Okay, but the free one, then that is all. So you can go now to your gallery and you will see the picture you just saved. See it here, see it inside, and that's how all these pictures you see here are done. You see here, you can see it's the same person's face. You see it. So this is how you can make your picture come out better. Okay, so with that, I want to end this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Next week I want to show you something, how to in fact, even this week itself I might do it before Sunday or so, but let's just keep our fingers crossed. But at least every week I'll be dropping a video. Okay, so see you guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.